Welcome to GYAS classes for mathematics. क्लास 12th वेक्टर अलजेब्रा पार्ट 7। इससे पहले हम लोग पार्ट 6 तक कर चुके हैं। चलो पार्ट 7 में देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन है। तो यहाँ पार्ट 7 के अंदर मेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बेसिक एंड ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन हमारा है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? सो डैट द पॉइंट्स ए टू आई प्लस 3j प्लस 5k, बी पॉइंट गिवन यूनिट वेक्टर आई प्लस 2j प्लस 3k and C point given 7 unit vector I minus k unit vector are the coordinate। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि आपको 3 पॉइंट्स दिया गया है और उसके वेक्टर्स पॉइंट दिए गए हैं ए बी सी। आपको पता करना है कि ऑल दिस पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर। तो किसी भी अगर 3 पॉइंट्स दिया हो वेक्टर के फॉर्म में, आपको पता करना हो कि ये तीनों पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर है, तो क्या करेंगे ध्यान दो। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन के लिए स्मार्ट तरीका क्या है आपका? ए पॉइंट, बी पॉइंट और सी पॉइंट है। तो आप जानते हो कि अगर ये कोलिनियर होगा तो क्या होगा? कोलिनियर होने के लिए जरूरी है कि मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए सी वेक्टर, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बिकॉज ए बी सी, सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए सी वेक्टर इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए बी वेक्टर प्लस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी सी वेक्टर। तो अगर कोई पॉइंट दिया गया हो ए पॉइंट, बी पॉइंट, सी पॉइंट, और हमें ये प्रूफ करना हो कि ये तीनों पॉइंट्स क्या है? कोलिनियर। इफ द 3 पॉइंट्स ए बी सी आर गिवन एंड वी हैव टू शो ए बी सी आर इन कोलिनियर, then simply prove that magnitude of AC vector equal to AB vector plus BC vector. So first you find that is AC vector. What is AC vector? So AC vector means what? That is C minus A. So here C is given or here A is given. So C minus A, that means 7 unit vector I minus 2 unit. So minus minus plus. So 7 to 9. So this is 9 unit vector I. Again you see CAC, C minus A. CA this, A this. So 7 unit vector I minus of minus 2 unit vector. So minus minus plus 7 to 9 unit vector I. Again this is the J is not here. Only J is there. So here J is what? 0. So 0 minus 3. So this is what? Minus 3 unit vector J. Now here C minus A. C is what? Minus k unit vector. Here 5k unit. So minus k unit vector minus 5k unit. So this is minus 1 minus 5. That is minus 6. So this is what? Minus 6 unit vector k. This is AC. Now you can find magnitude of AC vector. So magnitude means what? Coefficient of unit vector I square. So this is 9 square plus magnitude of unit vector J square. So this is what? Minus 3 square. Again coefficient of unit vector K square, that is minus 6 square, and this is root over. So this is what? 9 square 81, 3 square 9, and 6 square 36. So when we will add this number, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 1 16, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, and plus 8 12. So this is 126. So this is root under 126. So if you make factor of this number, so check here. This is 126. So this is what? 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, and here 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3, 3 7 are 21. So this 3 is a pair. So 3 root 14. So this is what? 3 root under 14. Now you see similarly AB. So first you find AB vector. So AB vector is again what? That is B minus A. So B is given here and A. So I unit vector I minus. So minus minus plus. So unit vector I plus 2I unit vector. 2 unit vector. So 1 plus 2 3. So this gave 3 unit vector I. Again this is 2j minus 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. So this is minus unit vector J. Again here plus 3 unit vector k minus 5k unit. So 3 minus 5 minus 2. So this is what? Minus 2 unit vector k. Now magnitude of magnitude of unit vector, magnitude of vector AB. So AB is this. So magnitude of unit vector I is 3. So this is 3a square. Plus magnitude of unit vector j is -1. So this is -1 square. Again, coefficient of unit vector k is -2. So this is what? -2 square. And then there is a square root. So 3 square is 9, -1 square is 1, -2 square is 4. So this is how much? That is 14. So this is a square root of 14. Now we have to find BC. So BC vector equal to what? That is C minus B. So C is here and B is here. So 7 unit vector I minus unit vector I. So 7 minus 1, 6. So this is 6 unit vector I. Here J is not given. So C minus B, that is 0 minus 2J. So this is what? Minus 2 unit vector J. Here given C minus B. So C is what? Minus K. And B is what? Minus 3K. So minus K minus 3K. Minus 1 minus 3, 4. So this is minus 4 unit vector K. Now you see what is the magnitude. So magnitude of BC vector. So coefficient of unit vector I is 6. So this is 6a square. Coefficient of unit vector j is -2. This is -2a square. And coefficient of unit vector k -4. So this is -4a square. Now this is 6a square, 36 minus 2a square, 4, and minus 4a square, 16. So this is how much? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. Carry 1. 1, 1, 2, and 3, 5. This is 56. So you know 14 4 ja 56. 14 4 ja 56. So this is 2 root under 14. Now you see that is magnitude of AC vector equal to magnitude of AB vector plus magnitude of BC vector. Why? AC vector is what? 3 root 14. So this is 3 root 14. And magnitude of AB vector is what? Root under 14. Magnitude of BC vector is what? 2 root under 14. So root 14 plus 2 root 14 is what? 3 root 14. So this is proof LHS equal to RHS. So in this way you can prove any 3 points given are collinear. Suppose A, B, C are 3 points. We have to prove these are collinear points. Then find AB vector, BC vector and AC vector. And magnitude of AC vector equal to magnitude of AB vector plus magnitude of BC vector. Then A, B, C points will be collinear. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर है 2. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आपका कहता है कि इफ ए वेक्टर इज गिवन 2 यूनिट वेक्टर आई प्लस 2j प्लस 3k and b vector is minus I unit vector I plus 2j plus k and c vector is 3 unit vector I plus j are such that a vector plus alpha b vector is perpendicular to c vector, then find the value of alpha. तो आप जानते हो कि this vector a vector plus alpha b vector is perpendicular to c. When two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. तो सेम कंसेप्ट यूज करेंगे और आप बिल्कुल इजीली आप लैम्डा की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हो. तो चलो सबसे पहले आप फाइंड करो ए वेक्टर प्लस अल्फा बी वेक्टर. सो ए वेक्टर प्लस अल्फा इज ए कांस्टेंट, मे बी के, मे बी एनीथिंग. सो ए वेक्टर प्लस अल्फा बी वेक्टर. सो ए वेक्टर इज गिवन व्हाट? 2 यूनिट वेक्टर आई प्लस 2 यूनिट वेक्टर जे plus 3 unit vector k and plus alpha b. So alpha b is what? This is minus alpha unit vector I plus 2 alpha unit vector j plus k alpha plus alpha unit vector k plus alpha unit vector k. A vector is given, that is 2i plus 2j plus 3k, and plus alpha into b vector. So alpha into b, that is minus alpha I unit vector, alpha into 2 alpha unit vector j, and alpha unit vector k. Now when we will add this number, so 2 unit vector I plus minus alpha unit vector I, this give 2 minus alpha unit vector I. Here 2 unit vector j and 2 alpha unit vector j. So this is what? 2 plus 2 alpha unit vector j. Here 3 unit vector k and plus alpha unit vector k. So this is what? 3 plus alpha unit vector k. So this is A vector plus alpha b vector. Now we have to prove this vector is perpendicular to C vector. So just find dot product of A vector plus alpha b vector and dot product with what? That is the C vector. So 2 minus alpha unit vector I, 2 plus 2 alpha unit vector j plus 3 plus alpha unit vector k. So and dot C vector. So C vector is what? C vector is given 3 unit vector I plus j plus unit vector j. This equal to what? That is 0. Right? So dot product of these two vectors will be 0 because these are the perpendicular. So you can find 2 minus alpha into dot 3 unit vector I. So this is what? 3 into 2 minus alpha. Again 2 plus 2 lambda dot j. So this is what? Plus 2 plus 2 alpha. Now here k not given, here k is 0. So this multiply 0, 0. So this equal to what? 0. Now 3 to just 6 minus 3 alpha plus 2 alpha equal to 0. So again this is 6 plus 2 8. 8 and minus 3 alpha plus 2 alpha minus alpha. This equal to 0. So alpha equal to 8. This is my right answer. तो कभी भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है, कोई भी नंबर दिया और बोले कि ये इस वेक्टर की परपेंडिकुलर है, जस्ट फाइंड द डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बोथ एंड दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू 0. तो हियर आपको क्या है? ए वेक्टर गिवन, बी वेक्टर गिवन और सी वेक्टर गिवन, और हमें कह रहा है कि सच दैट ए वेक्टर प्लस अल्फा बी वेक्टर इज परपेंडिकुलर टू सी वेक्टर, then find value of alpha. Then first you find that a vector plus alpha b vector dot c vector should be 0. So a vector plus alpha b vector is this, a vector plus alpha into b vector. When we add the two vector, then we take coefficient of same. So here 2 unit vector I, here minus alpha unit vector I. So 2 minus alpha unit vector I. 2j unit vector and 2 alpha j unit vector. So 2 plus 2 alpha unit vector j. Here 3 unit vector k and alpha unit vector k. So 3 plus alpha unit vector k. Now we have to show this a plus alpha b dot c vector equal to 0 because these are perpendicular, it is given. So a plus alpha b vector value is what? 2 minus alpha unit vector I, 2 plus 2 alpha unit vector j, 3 plus alpha unit vector k, and dot c vector is given 3 unit vector I plus j unit vector equal to 0. Now in dot product you know I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot k1, and I dot j0, I dot k0. In the same way j dot I0, j dot k0. So only we have to take same unit. So 2 minus alpha unit vector I multiply 3 unit vector I. So 3 into 2 minus alpha. here j 2 plus 2 alpha, here j 1, so 1 into 2 plus 2 alpha, here k0, k is 3 plus alpha, here k0, so this multiply into 0 0, so we will take only this. Now solve this. 6 minus 3 alpha plus 2 alpha 0, 6 plus 2 8, minus 3 alpha plus 2 alpha minus alpha 0, so alpha equal to what? 8. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं, थर्ड क्वेश्चन। थर्ड क्वेश्चन हमारा है, इफ ए वेक्टर, बी वेक्टर, सी वेक्टर आर द यूनिट वेक्टर such that a vector plus b vector plus c vector equal to 0, then find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. For this type of question, सबसे पहले देखो आर यूनिट वेक्टर, सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a vector equal to magnitude of b vector equal to magnitude of c vector equal to 1, because a, b, c are unit vector. Now it is given a vector plus b vector plus c vector equal to 0. Now squaring both sides, so this is magnitude of a vector plus b vector plus c vector square equal to what? That is magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus magnitude of c square plus 2 into a dot b vector plus 2 into b dot c vector plus 2 into c dot a vector, right? And this equal to what? 0. So magnitude of a, b, c are given 1, so this is 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 1 square 1 plus 2 is common, so we will take a vector dot b vector, b vector dot c vector, c vector dot a vector, and this total equal to what? 0. So this equal to 0, so this is a 3 plus 2 into a vector dot b vector, b vector dot c vector, c vector dot a vector, this equal to 0. So we can find a vector dot b vector, b vector dot c vector, c vector dot a vector equal to what? This go is here, then this is minus 3, so minus 3 by 2. This is my correct answer. So for this type of question, a, b, c are the unit vector, so magnitude of a vector, magnitude of b vector, magnitude of c vector is 1. Here given a vector plus b vector plus c vector equal to 0. So squaring of this equal to also 0. Now square this number by formula a square, b square, c square plus 2ab, 2bc and ca. You can find your answer minus 3 by 2. तो ये थे हमारे 3 क्वेश्चन जो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट और बिल्कुल बेसिक क्वेश्चन है। ये पार्ट नंबर 7 में लिया। इसके आगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट में फिर आपको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कराएंगे। थैंक यू।